it's not a small change. It is not even, it's beyond just measurable. It is in your face, big change. So, yeah. Is it worth doing? Yes. Besides the fact that it's acoustically an improvement in every way. And when you're dealing with the open cavity of a door, because it's literally just a big, huge, really bad infinite baffle. It's got air leaking out in all directions around it through handles and cracks and gaps and stuff. It's just, so its sound is just leaking everywhere. This will not only prevent that sound wave from getting to the back of your driver, from the front to the back, but it will also keep rain and moisture and weather off the driver, which will help prevent corrosion